talk to you about riding a motocross bike by yourself. Do not ride your bike by yourself without a mobile phone, just in case you fall off and you need to ring an ambulance. It's not a wise idea, because I had to ride my bike back earlier after having a major crash, and I had to lift my bike back up off the floor. That was near enough impossible. I'm still in so much pain right now. Luckily enough, I didn't break my back, which I thought I'd done because I was actually screaming for help. Well, I couldn't take off my bash out, that's how much pain I was in. Couldn't take off my gloves, couldn't roll over. I just had to lay there for it felt like about 10 minutes, but a good few minutes before I could move. So scary. And then lucky my bike started back up. It was electric start, KTM, fakey KTM, but having an electric start. So it started back up again. I managed to ride to somewhere where I could ring an ambulance. And then got taken to East Surrey, thank you East Surrey Hospital. The doctor's name's Polly. Just done a CT scan, so I've not got a broken back. I'm really happy about that. Just been for a toilet, there's no blood in my urine. They've checked all that out. Just severe bruising, really. And I've got like little superficial stuff like that on my foot somewhere. It's supposed to be a little bit, it's supposed to be. Oh, that's pretty nasty actually. That was helpful, the cannula with morphine and stuff. A couple of scratches on my leg. Sugar. Bit of a blister from the exhaust. That's what you get when you wear shorts and a t-shirt and a pair of trainers instead of proper motocross gear. So wear your protective stuff. Otherwise you're gonna end up in hospital like me. Wading into stuff like this. Yeah, he gets weird, something like that. Thank you once again to the NHS UK. Love it. I don't love it, but who picked me up? Nurses, the ambulance, were really nice. Gentleman by the name of Joshua from Australia. He's an Aussie, mate. And then a lady called Helen. She was really nice as well. Very helpful. Just knackered, hungry. I want to get home now. I'll just lay in bed for a few days. Right, people. But yeah, loud and clear. Wear your protective gear when riding a motorbike, and make sure you take a phone that's fully charged so you can ring an ambulance in case of an emergency. I learned the hard way today. I'm really lucky. I would have still been in the woods now, hoping that someone would have been walking their dog to find me. So I'm lucky. I just basically made it out because of the adrenaline that's pumping around in my body. I was in so much pain. I've never actually yelped from pain. I'll see if I can get some painkiller before I leave here. And then get these wounds cleaned out first. It's just a graze really. It's this cut underneath my toe. They're going to clean it out and see if it needs stitches. And I can't see around the back of me, but that's what kills as well. Oh, I can see it slightly. See if you can see it. Not too bad. And on my knee. Still a bit battered and bruised all over. Always make sure you wear a bash hat. That was lucky. I always wear a bash hat regardless. But now I know I need to wear everything else as well. So take it as a lesson. Alright people, peace out, be careful, be safe. Always good to ride in pairs.